How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and today we're going to talk about solar panels, 200 watts to power up a power station. How we can power up a power generator when we are camping and there is no way to recharge the unit. So the best thing you can do, like what I did in my case, we have 100-watt solar panel. These are 100-watt solar panels. But what I did here, I hook up two. I allow you to put up to 3. So this one is 100 and we got 100 there. So we got 200-watt solar panel. And you allow you to put 3 in series. So now if you have a power generator, you can power up this unit during the day. So that guarantee at night, this thing will be charged. During the 6 hours, this will get charged during the day, and then at night you will have power. And in case like me, if you're going to be in outdoor, there is no in any outlet or any power to charge the unit, but this guarantee you to have power all the time. And even it has the loops here where you can hook up this in RV and it counts. So you can hook up even your tent, you can hook up this anywhere. And that's pretty simple to remove this. Comes with a special adapter for this unit, and I'll show you that in a second. Now then it's pretty simple to carry it. I'll show you how to close this. We're going to go this way, this way, this way. We close it right there. We put all the cables right back over here. We close it and done. Yeah, definitely the perfect way to keep charged the unit when there is no power. Thank you.